Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Accord tail light. First, gather your essential tools: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Knowing the right bulb type beforehand saves time and ensures a proper fit. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth and efficient replacement process. Let's get started with accessing the tail light assembly. Now, let's access the tail light assembly. Open your trunk and look for two retaining screws on the inside of the trunk liner, near the tail light. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but a steady pull will release it from its clips. Avoid twisting or prying to prevent damage. With the tail light assembly free, it's time to replace the bulb. Locate the specific bulb socket you need to change. Twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from the housing, then pull it out. Carefully remove the old bulb by pulling it straight out from the socket. Now, take your new bulb and firmly insert it into the socket until it feels secure. Make sure it's seated correctly for proper electrical contact. To finish up, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light housing and twist it clockwise to lock it securely. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle body and push it firmly back into place until it snaps. Then, reinstall the two retaining screws inside the trunk liner using your Phillips head screwdriver. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Test your new tail light to ensure it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.